Good morning, everybody. It's 10:34 and 26 seconds on August 31st. This is the drawing for the 3 Star Wars books, which are issues 42, First Boba Fett, 68, The Return of Boba Fett, and 107, which is the final Star Wars issue for the first Marvel run. Over here on the left are the 11 filled spots. Just going to put a little space there for Dan. Let's roll our 3 dice. The number is lucky 13 for somebody. So let's randomize 13 times. Name at the top of the list. We'll get all 3 books. I should be able to get them out in today's mail. So good luck, everybody. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and this is the final one. 13, spot 6, Jake Westland, congratulations. Time is 10:35 and 20.